Hello everyone, welcome back to my home and welcome back to my channel. Today what I would like to share with you is doing a pantry makeover, and this is where my pantry is located, just beside my refrigerator. And don't look at my mess. This kitchen is going to be a makeover project soon. What I'm concentrating on today is the pantry. And here it is. You know, recently we moved in about 3 months ago, and it is just a mess. But the wire racks that were placed in there before we moved in were not very stable. In fact, they're very lopsided. I'm hoping to either make or purchase a pantry sign for above my pantry. And this is Mr. Fix-It, and we are just great at teamwork today. Removing everything from the pantry, and we're going to remove those wire racks. Here is everything sitting on my counter that was in there, and I even had some canned goods and jars in another part of the kitchen that I didn't even place in there. I didn't feel safe. It looks like, you know, maybe this rack had maybe failed before, and here is the level. The Leaning Tower of Pisa had nothing on this pantry shelf. So here's Mr. Fix-It. He had Lowe's go ahead and cut the boards to the size that we needed. Of course, we don't have the workshop up and going here at the new house, but he had them cut and putting a couple of coats of paint on these. Now that all of the wire racks are moved out of the pantry, we decided to go ahead and put a fresh coat of paint in there and brighten things up. I decided to pick up a few more of these glass canisters, and these came from Hobby Lobby, and of course 50% off, and I love these small ones for my spices. These little bins came from Amazon, and I also got some fresh labels to add on all of my canisters. I will add a link to these products in the description box below in case you might be looking for some of these items. All of the shelves are now placed in the pantry, and yay, they are level. Of course, doing a pantry cleanup also allows you to get all of the outdated products. And also, yes, it's so funny, that is 3 jars of peanut butter sitting there. I don't know, I guess I kept adding it to the list. So we wound up with 3 jars of peanut butter just for my husband and I. It'll last forever, what can I say? This handmade sleeve is hanging on a command hook, and it holds the plastic bags. You put them in the top and pull one out of the bottom as needed. This wire basket I got from Hobby Lobby, and Mr. Fix-It's going to put a board and some wheels on the bottom so I can place that in the bottom of my pantry and be able to remove it whenever needed for cleaning. Hey guys, I did not get my pantry sign put up above my pantry. That'll have to be another day. The basket in the bottom of the pantry was some basket from Hobby Lobby, and Mr. Fix-It put a board and some wheels. So I just pulled that out, and I keep my tea stored in there. I was happy when he fixed that for me, and it's easy to roll out so I can clean in the bottom of my pantry as well. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure and give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you like this for more videos in the future. Have a great day.